Imagine you're running a company with a mountain of data pouring in every second. Customer feedback, sales numbers, website clicks, social media engagement, and more. Sounds overwhelming, right? Without the right system, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack every time you want to make a business decision. That's where data lake and warehouse solutions come in. Today, we're breaking down how these two powerhouses can transform your data chaos into clear, actionable insights that fuel business growth. Let's start with data lakes. Picture a massive digital reservoir where you can store raw, unprocessed data in its native format: text, images, audio, and even entire data streams. Data lakes allow companies to capture everything without worrying about sorting or structuring it first. Think of it like this. Your data lake is a giant filing cabinet where you can throw in any document you might need later. No questions asked. This approach is perfect for businesses that thrive on data-heavy projects like customer personalization, real-time analytics, and machine learning. Imagine being able to analyze customer feedback in real time to adjust marketing strategies on the fly. Data lakes make it possible by housing all the raw data you need, ready for use at any moment. On the other hand, data warehouses are like high-powered storage systems, but with a twist. They're highly structured and optimized for quick, reliable querying and reporting. They're the go-to for companies needing clean, precise data insights, like financial summaries or monthly sales reports. Data warehouses are where your data goes once it's been processed and organized, making it easy to pull quick insights without wading through a swamp of information. So, if you need to generate fast, consistent reports for stakeholders or regulatory bodies, a data warehouse is your best friend. But what if your business needs both? This is where data lake and warehouse solutions combine, creating a hybrid setup. Here's an example. Think about a large retail chain tracking sales and customer interactions across hundreds of stores. Their data lake holds vast amounts of raw data, customer comments, browsing habits, even IoT data from store sensors, allowing them to look for emerging trends. Meanwhile, their data warehouse compiles clean sales reports, profitability analyses, and inventory data for the corporate decision makers. Together, the two systems ensure that data scientists, analysts, and executives all have exactly what they need, when they need it. Here's the best part. A well-implemented data lake and warehouse solution isn't just about collecting data. It's about unlocking smarter decision-making across your entire company. Whether you're optimizing product inventory, improving customer experiences, or rolling out personalized marketing, having a blend of raw and refined data means you can act fast without missing out on the details. And it's not just big corporations that benefit. Smaller businesses can gain a competitive edge too. With cloud solutions, setting up a data lake and warehouse environment is now more accessible than ever, with the flexibility to grow as your business expands. So, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, it's time to harness the power of data lake and warehouse solutions. Make data work for you, not the other way around. Let's face it, in today's world, data isn't just an asset, it's your business's superpower. Want to see how this setup can revolutionize your data game? Hit subscribe and check out more insights on how tech solutions like these can fuel business growth. Don't let your data go to waste. Turn it into gold.
This much for today's learning. Remember, in the realm of wisdom, we all have a role. Knowledge is the key to reaching our goal.